After you've decided what you want to promote and which campaign type you're going to use, you then need to decide who you're trying to sell to, or your ideal customer. In order to get your product in front of that customer, you're going to need to target something with your ad. Think about it like archery, where the arrow represents your product ad, and you can aim it at any number of targets out at the archery range. To advertise effectively, you have to make sure that you're aiming at the right target. And if you don't have clear targets, you'll be shooting aimlessly and wasting your budget. So how does targeting on Amazon work? Well, Amazon gives us 3 ways in which we can take aim with our targeting. We have keywords, products, and audiences. Now, the most basic of these is keyword targeting, which is the default for search engine-based marketing. A customer types something into the search bar, and advertisers everywhere begin vying for their ads to appear based on selected keywords. They've told Amazon that if those terms appear in the customer's search query, then they want their ad to show. Keywords are the bread and butter of Amazon PPC, and they will very likely make up around 80% of your advertising spend, as they constitute a significant amount of volume on Amazon. In addition to keyword targeting, Amazon allows us to target other products. The product targeting concept was quite novel back in 2018 when Amazon first introduced it. They gave us the ability to place our product ads next to and around other products on the platform. This tactic opens up new realms of possibility for advertisers. We can choose to either upsell to customers who are looking at our own products, or we can take aim at competitors' products, knowing that if a customer is looking at them, they must be in the market to buy, and perhaps we can persuade them to purchase from us instead. But targeting competitors' product isn't the only tactic here. We can also target complementary products. For example, if I have a product that's great for outdoorsy type people, maybe I sell tents, then instead of just targeting other tents, I can also target other types of camping equipment or outdoor sporting goods, hoping to get my product in front of someone who might be interested. The third and final, and also newest type of targeting that Amazon introduced to us, is audience targeting. When we target audiences, Amazon will give us certain demographics or behavioral profiles, which they have identified based on their own user data in order to categorize and label their customers. Amazon then gives us the ability to tap into this data to show our product ads to customers, regardless of what they are typing into the search bar or what products they're looking at on Amazon. It's important to note that sponsored products, sponsored brands, and sponsored display all have different targeting capabilities, and there are some nuances which must be considered. So let's take a closer look at each one.